exterior angle theorem. So I drew kind of a deformed quadrilateral over here, but I'm trying to get you to understand the difference between exterior and interior angles. Okay, the exteriors are the outside, the interior are the inside. So here are the interior angles. Actually, I'll letter them. So A, B, C, D, and the exterior angles are E, F, G, and H. Okay, the outsides. So the exterior angle theorem just says that if you have, this is 80 degrees, and this is, let me just make it 70 degrees. 80 plus 70 is 150. This exterior angle is 150, and that makes sense because if you add up all the angles in a triangle, then it's going to add up to 180. And if you have a straight line, that's 180. So 150 degrees. So if that's 150, then this angle is going to be 30 degrees. Okay, so 50 and 30. And we can do it this way too. 80 plus 70 is 150. 180 minus 150 is 30. So we can either do it this way to figure out what this angle is, or we can do it this way to figure out what that angle is. Therefore, this plus this is equal to this. Okay, so let's look at a couple problems. So if that's 92 and that's 38, then this is 60. X is 60. We can also do it this way. We can say 92 plus 38 is 120, 180 minus 120. Sorry, I messed that up. Okay, so 92 plus 38 is 120, therefore x is 120. So 120, we have a straight line here, 120 in this angle, we'll call it angle y. So, but 180 minus 120 is 60, so angle y is 60. So we can do it this way as well. 92 plus 38 is 120, 180 minus 120 is 60. Okay, so that's why the exterior angle theorem works. So if we have to figure out what x is, if it says find x, then we can say x minus 4, the two remote interior angles. So x minus 4 plus 2x plus 10 equals 153. And now we have to solve for x, add like terms. 3x plus 6 is equal to 153. 3x is equal to 147, because we're subtracting 6 from both sides. 147, and that means x is equal to 49. So we found out what x is.